Hi, today we're going to make a pulled pork baoger using the Korean Samyan Buldak Sauce. You can replace pretty much any of the fillings in the burger to whatever you like. You can even use normal hamburger buns instead of the baos. To make the pulled pork, we need to first marinate the pork shoulder in the soy sauce, garlic, chili flakes, spring onion, and honey. Leave that to marinate for 3 hours. When it's ready, we're going to take out the pork and sear it on all sides over high heat. And now once you've got a lovely color over the pork, we're going to add in the 500 ml of water, the Buldak sauce, and also the leftover marinade, and then we're going to bring everything up to a boil. Once the stock comes up to a rolling boil, we're going to put the thermal cooker back into its container and then leave it overnight. If you do have time, it's best to bring the stock back to a boil every 3 hours to make sure it maintains its heat in the thermal cooker. The next day, your pork will be ready for you to just take out and shred into pieces using forks. Once you've shredded your pork, we're just going to set it aside and then work on our sauce. For the pulled pork sauce, we're just going to heat some oil in a pan and then saute the garlic until they're fragrant. And then we're going to add in the spring onions and then give that a quick saute as well. And then we will add in the soy sauce, honey, tomato sauce, and the Buldak sauce, and then make sure to give everything an even mix. Next, we're going to add in some cream, which is actually optional. I'm adding it because I want to tone down the spice of the Buldak sauce, only because I'm weak. Once the cream is evenly mixed in, we're going to add in the pulled pork and give that a quick toss to make sure that the pork is covered in all of the sauce. We're then going to take a portion of the pulled pork and leave that in the pan and then place the cheeses on top, and then we're going to cover the pan with a lid and then just let that sit until the cheese melts. And now we're at our final stage, which is assembling the baoger. So you just cut the bao in half and place on the lettuce, pickled carrots, pulled pork, and the red onion. And there we have our Buldak sauce pulled pork baoger. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.